Good morning. Good morning to all. అందరికీ మహర్నవమి శుభాకాంక్షలు. Happy Dasara to all. No one is responding. Why? How many of you have had your breakfast now? Today? Children? How many of you are completed your breakfast? We should thank you, Hunisha. No one is responding. How many of you are done with your breakfast? Okay, Vaishant. Only Vaishant. Good morning. Neha Devi completed, Sammy completed, Manoj not completed. Right. Today we are yet to complete quadratic equations topic. Only one topic left out, nature of roots. If this is done, quadratic equations is done. And we will be left with one more topic, pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay. Now let us start today's lesson. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, is the general form of a quadratic equation, and it is having two zeros. To find out the zeros, we have a formula called quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. It's called quadratic formula. Okay. In that, b square minus 4ac is having a special name. It is having a special name, that is discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. Discriminant means it discriminates the zeros, the roots of the given quadratic equation. It bifurcates, I think. It bifurcates the roots of quadratic equation. It decides, discriminates. It is called a discriminant. Okay? Denoted by the letter D. Denoted by the letter capital D. See, if this b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0, means it is a positive number. If it is a positive number, then the roots of the given quadratic equation are real and distinct. if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, greater than 0 means if it is a positive value. B square minus 4ac is if it is a positive value, then the roots of the given equation, given quadratic equation, they are real roots and distinct. Distinct means different roots. Real and distinct roots. Okay. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, suppose if మనం చూసాం ఒక ప్రాబ్లం లో, ఈ ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ అయినప్పుడు మనం దాంట్లో చూసాం b square minus 4ac 0 వచ్చింది మనకి. We got it is 0. Then the roots are real and equal. Real and equal. అంటే b square minus 4ac 0 అయిపోయింది అనుకో. If this is 0, అప్పుడు ఇదంతా ఉండదు. ఇంకేం మిగులుతుంది మనకి? x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over 0 by 2a, and we will be left with minus b by 2a. We will be left with minus b by 2a. Okay, that means we have only one root. అయితే ప్రతి quadratic equation కి two roots ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి we will say that both the roots are same, minus b by 2a. Both the roots are same. I will tell you one example also about that one, don't worry. We already discussed about it. Okay na? No. Next, third one. What happens when b square minus 4ac is less than 0? What happens when b square minus 4ac is less than 0? Roots are imaginary. Are no real roots. No real roots. Roots are imaginary or no real roots. Imaginary అంటే ఏమిటి? రియల్ కానిది imaginary. Real, imaginary. I think you know what is real and what is imaginary. Imaginary means ఊహాత్మకమైనది, which is not real. Which is not real, we call it as imaginary. So ఈ imaginary numbers ఉంటాయా? రియల్ numbers అయితే ఉంటాయి. రియల్ నంబర్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయి కదా. ఏమిటవి రియల్ నంబర్స్ అంటే? ఆల్ రేషనల్ అండ్ ఇర్రేషనల్ నంబర్స్ టుగెదర్ కాల్డ్ రియల్ నంబర్స్. ఆల్ రేషనల్ నంబర్స్ and all irrational numbers together called real numbers. So real కానిది imaginary. మరి imaginary numbers ఉంటాయా? Yes, ఉంటాయి. అవి ఎలా ఉంటాయి? The general form of a imaginary number is a plus bi. a plus bi లేదా ai plus b. ai plus b, where ai is root over minus 1. I అనేది అక్కడ imaginary number. I అంటే imaginary. I అంటే imaginary. And its value is root over negative 1. So you will learn about these imaginary numbers in the higher classes, 11th and 12th standards. 10th standard వరకు you will study about only real numbers. Imaginary numbers 10th standard లో ఉండవు. కాబట్టి ఎప్పుడైనా ఈ b square minus 4ac value 0 less than 0 వస్తే, if in any equation if you find that b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means if you got a negative value for b square minus 4ac, so no need to do anything, just you need to write the given quadratic equation is not having real roots. You have to say that the given quadratic equation is not having real roots and రాయసలేనే. You need to write like that and leave the problem like that. Understand children? Only ఈ రెండు cases b square minus 4ac greater than 0, b square minus 4ac equal to 0 అయితేనే we need to proceed further to find out the roots. We need to proceed further to find out the roots. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means you got a negative value. Then no need to find out its roots. Just what you have to write? You need to write the given quadratic equation is not having real roots. ఒకవేళ క్వశ్చన్ లో వాడు ఫైండ్ ద రూట్స్ అని ఖచ్చితంగా అడిగితే అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి అది కూడా చెప్తా, ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తా. ఓకేనా? రైట్. నౌ విల్ గో అహెడ్ విత్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. Yeah. Consider a quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Find its roots. ఇది మనం ఆల్రెడీ చేసేసాం. ఇలాగా a1 b minus 5 c 6. So calculate b square minus 4ac minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 6. 25 minus 24, 1 greater than 0. b square minus 4ac greater than 0. 1 వచ్చింది. b square minus 4ac 1 వచ్చింది. 1 is greater than 0. Is that right? Now, so this equation is having real roots. Real and distinct roots. Real and distinct roots. By 2a, substitute the values. Minus of minus 5 plus or minus root over 1 by 2 into 1. So 5 plus or minus 1 by 2. అంటే ఒక రూట్ 5 plus 1 by 2, ఇంకొక రూట్ 5 minus 1 by 2. 6 by 2, 3, 2. 3, 2. Observe చేయండి. We got two roots and they are different. We got two different roots. Two different real roots. Since b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac greater than 0 అయితే we'll get two real and distinct roots. Okay na? Now we'll see one more problem. x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Let it be. X square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. a1 b4 c4 b square minus 4ac 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 4 16 minus 16 0 b square minus 4ac 0 వచ్చేసింది. b square minus 4ac we got it as 0. Okay, that means the given quadratic equation is having real roots but equal roots. Real and equal roots. Okay na? Now find out the roots. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. అంటే minus 4 by 2 అంటే minus 2. minus 4 by 2 అంటే minus 2. అదే ఒక్క వాల్యూనే వచ్చింది. quadratic equation కదా, we need to get two roots na, but we got only one root. అందుకనే ముందే చెప్పాడు కండిషన్. if b square minus 4ac is 0, then the roots are real and equal. Real and equal means roots are minus 2 comma minus 2. అలా తీసుకోవాలి. minus 2 comma minus 2. అదే ఒకటే ఉంది సార్, క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ కి రెండు రూట్లు ఉంటాయి కదా, ఒకటే వచ్చింది అంటే ఒకటే, రెండోది కూడా అదే. రెండోది కూడా అదే సేమ్ రూట్స్, రియల్ అండ్ ఈక్వల్ రూట్స్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ యూ హావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. ఓకే, సపోజ్ if a question is like this, if a question is like this, we need to find out the zeros of this quadratic equation. Now a1 b1 -1 c3 b square minus 4ac minus 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 3 1 minus 12 negative 11 1 minus 12 negative 11. B square minus 4ac value less than 0 వచ్చింది. We got as less than 0. Less than 0. అంటే the given quadratic equation is not having real roots అని రాసి వదిలేయాలి యాక్చువల్గా. కానీ వాడు ఫైండ్ ద రూట్స్ అన్నాడు అనుకోండి, ఏం చేయాలి మీరు? ఎంతవరకు చేయాలి? x is equal to minus b plus r minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a కదా, minus b minus half minus 1 plus r minus root over negative 11 by 2 into 1. So 1 plus r minus root over negative 11 by 2. ఇలా వదిలేయటం, ఇక్కడ వదిలేయటం. That's all. Understand children? General గా b square minus 4ac less than 0 అయితే roots find out చేయమండు. Suppose if he is asking to find out the roots, just you need to do up to here. That's all. Okay na? No responses? Is it okay? Any doubts? Any doubts, children? Out of 11 people, only 4 people are responding. Remaining are sleeping, eh? Where is Sanvi, Hemalata, Sampath Gaud? Eh? Yeah. Tomorrow I am going to start pair of linear equation in 2 variable, children. Tomorrow. And you need to submit your classwork on the reopening day. Your classworks are with me. I think they are not with me, with you only. Yeah, I took 9th class books, not 10th standard. So, reopening day you need to submit your classworks. All the classwork. Oh, టకటక ఆన్సర్లు ఇస్తున్నారే దీనికి మటుకు. అర్థమైందా లేదా మటుకు ఆన్సర్లు ఇవ్వలేదు. సపరేట్ బుక్ లో చేయండి, ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. డూ ఇట్ ఇన్ ఏ సపరేట్ బుక్. Do it in a separate whiteboard notebook, no problem. Huh? If your books are with me, do it in a separate notebook. Right. We'll see the problems now. Find the nature of the roots. Nature means whether the roots are real and distinct, or real and equal, or real or imaginary roots. We need to give our comments on that one. First Roman is that one. Just you need to say whether the given quadratic equation is having either real and b square minus 4ac 0 na, greater than 0 na, less than 0 na, equal to 0 na, greater than 0 అయితే ఎట్లాంటి రూట్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితే ఎట్లాంటి రూట్స్ ఉంటాయి, less than 0 అయితే ఎలాంటి రూట్స్ ఉంటాయి. Just you need to give your comments. That is the first Roman in 4.4. Second Roman, find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. It is given that 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0 is having real and equal roots. It is given this equation is having real and equal roots. It is given. That means b square minus 4ac is 0. Since the given equation is having real and equal roots, b square minus 4ac is 0. We need to find out k value. Substitute values here. K whole square 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. K square minus 24 is equal to 0. K square is equal to 24. K is equal to plus or minus root over 24. You need to keep plus or minus. 4 6 here. 2 root 6. So k value is plus or minus 2 root 6. Okay. Now we'll see one more. We'll see one more. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. This equation is also having real and equal roots. So, first simplify this. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Ak b minus 2k c6 b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That means minus 2k whole square 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. We can take 4k common. K minus 6 is equal to 0. 4k is equal to 0. K minus 6 is equal to 0. K 0 or K 6. K 0, K 6. You need to keep here R. K 0 R 6. అంటే ఈ రెండింటిలో ఏదో ఒకటే అయి ఉంటుంది. ఏది కరెక్ట్? If K is 0, 0 into x square 0. ఇది quadratic equation అవ్వదు. అంతే కదా? If K is 0, 0x square minus 2 into 0 into x plus 6 is equal to 0. That will not become a quadratic equation. కాబట్టి K0 is not valid. So answer is K6. Okay children, understand? K ఎందుకు 0 కాకూడదు అర్థమైందా? What happens if K is 0? What happens if K is 0? If K is 0, then Kx square, it becomes 0x square. 0x square minus 2 into 0 into x plus 6. Then it will not become a quadratic equation. That's why K is equal to 0 is not a value. We cannot consider that value. So K6 is the only possibility. K value is 6. Understood? Yeah. Next, third question. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800? If so, find the length and breadth. Question only. Is it possible that a rectangular mango groove is whose length is twice its breadth? Whose length is twice its breadth? Length, breadth. Breadth x అయితే length 2x ట. Area 800 ట. అసలు ఇది పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందా? No need. Just you need to find out k value. అసలు ఇది పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందా? We know area of rectangle is L into B is equal to 800. 2x into x is equal to 800. 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac కనుక్కోండి. B square minus 4ac కనుక్కోండి. Greater than 0 అయినా equal to 0 అయినా possible. లేకపోతే కాదు. B square 0 square minus 4a c. So what you are getting here? Plus 64,000, which is greater than 0. 6,400, which is greater than 0. Yes, it is possible. B square minus 4ac 0 greater than 0 వచ్చింది కదా? It is possible. Okay. మీకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ b square minus 4ac. We need to calculate first b square minus 4ac. If it is greater than 0 or equal to 0, then only we can go ahead. Otherwise, just we can say that not possible. After this, you can do factorization. After this, so 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0. Take 2 common. X square minus 400 is equal to 0. X plus 20, x minus 20. X is equal to negative 20 or x is equal to 20. Because x is length, it will not be in negatives, so we need to consider only positive 20. Okay, so breadth is 20 meters and length is 40 meters. Okay na? So like that we have to do that exercise. Fourth question also same. Is the following situation is possible? If so, determine the percentages. Is it possible? He is asking, is it possible That means you need to verify the nature of roots after forming the quadratic equation. After forming the quadratic equation, you should find out the nature of roots. Okay. Nature of roots greater than 0 aina is equal to 0 aina possible. Less than 0 aina not possible and right. Okay. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. Let it be x plus y. 20. Four years ago, the product of their ages is 48. 4 years ago. That means x minus 4 into y minus 4 is equal to 48. 4 years ago. The product of their ages is 48. Now simplify this. From this one we write y is equal to 20 minus x. So x minus 4 into 20 minus x minus 4 is equal to 48. So x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. Multiply 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48. Send all these terms to that side. Minus x square minus 64 plus 20x is equal to 48. Now you send these terms to that side. 48 plus x square plus 64 minus 20x is equal to 0. Okay. Now when you simplify this, x square minus 20x 100 112. 100 112. Calculate b square minus 4ac. Calculate b square minus 4ac, children. How much you are getting it? D square minus 4ac. What is b square minus 4ac? Why you are taking this much time? Sammy, are you there? Akanksha? Negative 48. Sammy, Manoj? Unisha, what you people are doing? Vaishant, good. Sammy, నిద్రపోతున్నావా నువ్వు ఇంతవరకు? Yeah, b square minus 4ac negative 48 వచ్చిందంటే less than 0. b square minus 4ac negative 48 less than 0. That means the quadratic equation is not having real zeros or real roots. అంటే it is not possible. It is not possible. అక్కడి నుంచి వాడు అనలేక తెస్తున్నాడు. నాట్ పాసిబుల్ అని చాణక్య గారు. నాట్ పాసిబుల్ స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి అదే పని మీద ఉన్నాడు. నాట్ పాసిబుల్ అని. So, since b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the given quadratic equation is not having real roots. So, it is not possible. Okay, na? So, with this, I am concluding this chapter as well as today's class. So complete the quadratic equation. If your classworks are with me, do it in another book. And those who are not submit their classwork, they need to submit on the reopening day. I am going to post the message in the group. And tomorrow I am going to start pair of linear equation in two variable. Before that, children, recently I started linear equation two variable topic in class 9. 5 videos are there. 5 videos. Go through the videos. Because 9th class subject you need to recall to learn 10th class subject. 9th class subject you need to recall 10th standard. So recall 9th standard concepts today and be ready with all those concepts tomorrow. Dhanyawad, thank you. Neha, good morning and happy Dasara.